how to connect interactive brokers to Metatrader 5 full setup. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect interactive brokers to Metatrader 5. So let me first tell you, there is not officially any way to connect it. You have to bypass some settings and connect the interactive brokers to Metatrader 5. So for that you have to choose a bridge software. Like several third-party vendors offer bridge software that facilitates the connection between Metatrader 5 and interactive brokers. Trader workstation. Some popular options include MTI Bridge, Trade Commander, JTWS Data, and research and select a bridge software that suits your needs and preferences. And after that, you have to download and install the bridge software according to the vendor's instructions. And within the bridge software, you'll need to configure it by providing an interactive broker API settings and credentials. And after that, you have to open interactive broker trader workstation and navigate to configure API and settings. Enable the enable ActiveX and SocketX client option. Disable read-only API. Optionally, you can add your MT5's IP address, usually this one, and to the trusted IPs listed to avoid confirmation prompts. And after that, you have to open Metatrader 5 and go to Tools, Option, Expert Advisors, and add the IP address of the computer where TW is running, usually this one, and to the list of allowed URLs. And after that, you have to connect a test, launch the bridge software, and connect it to your IBKR account using the provided credentials and settings. And after that, you have to open your MT5 account and load the bridge software's expert advisor into a chart and configure the expert advisor with the necessary parameters, and such as the IP address and port of the bridge and the identifier for the connection, and test the connection by placing a test order in MT5 and verifying that it's reflected in your IBKR account. And you can check some important consideration, like IBKR does not officially support MT5, so any issues with the bridge software should not be directed to the vendor. And ensure you understand the risk associated with the using third-party software and trading through a bridge. Always test the connection and functionality thoroughly before using the bridge of live trading. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.